Good morning guys and welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell, I just woke up. I still have my croaky morning voice, but I'm going to film a what I ate today with the recommended serving size video, the video that's like going all around the internet right now. I've seen so many people do it. I'm a little bit late to the bandwagon, but yeah, I'm so excited to do that today. But first up, let's go to my fridge. We're gonna have a little Chobani Fit Greek yogurt in flavor vanilla. I kind of wish I had strawberry, but I don't. So we're just gonna have one of these. I'm assuming this is a serving size because that's the whole point of these little pots. Ooh, peanut. Serving size, 170 grams, which is the whole tub. Yay. And then I'm going to get this granola. It is apple crumble clusters. Sounds delicious. Alright, so per serving there is 50 grams. Whoa, that's good. Although, because it's like granola and it has like real fruit pieces and nuts and stuff in it, it is heavier. That's all I'm gonna say. Alright, and then we're gonna set our scale to 0. See, 0. I'm gonna grab my granola. Whoop. Hey, hey. Ooh. One more. Whoops. So, this is meal 1, but I'll probably be having something else right afterwards. Okay, guys. Who wants a cup of spinach in their smoothie? Like, what? I just decided that I was gonna make a smoothie for my next little snack. I am gonna be at work for 5 hours and I don't get a lunch break because it's only 5 hours. So I'm gonna have a protein smoothie so that I can sip it while I'm at work so I don't get hungry. And I just googled the serving size of spinach. Google says 100 grams of spinach. I would love you guys to comment below how much you think this weighs because it's mind-blowing. But here it goes. So there is 58 grams of spinach in this entire thing. Technically the serving size is meant to be 100 grams. Like how? How? And then even if I do go by this packet and do 60 grams, that is literally the entire smoothie cup. Ooh. So I think I'm gonna skip out because honestly, I know people eat salad and stuff. That ain't me. But I'm a little bit nervous to eat this much spinach in one go. Like I don't know why. I'm just like, ooh, how's that gonna feel in my stomach? So, turns out I'm not being as healthy and I'm not gonna add spinach into my smoothie because that is wild how much spinach that is. Oh, hey. And then what was this? 150 grams of strawberries. So we'll set it back to 0. Then we're going to add a small banana because there's already a lot of sugar in this. Then I'm going to add a scoop of Happy Way. And maybe instead of adding spinach, I'll add a greens powder instead because, yeah, that spinach was insane, guys. I ain't not eating that much footage. Guys, it's either 100 grams of spinach or 1 full tablespoon of disgusting greens powder. What do I do? 1 tablespoon. Okay, let's do it. Let's do it. I feel like I need some greens in my diet right now. That's only 1 teaspoon and I meant to do 2 of these. Eek. so I just took my smoothie in this little to-go cup because I have to leave for work in like 10 minutes. But I'm gonna give it a taste test because I'm a little bit scared of how much greens powder I put in. I would usually put in a teaspoon, well actually probably half a teaspoon, max a teaspoon, depends how unhealthy I'm feeling. But 2 teaspoons, that's a lot. Surprisingly, it's still very pink from the strawberry, so maybe it'll overpower it. Let's see. Doesn't taste that bad. You can definitely taste the greens powder, but it's actually not overpowering. So maybe the 150 grams of strawberries has helped balance that out a little. Not too bad. Cheers, guys. Hey guys, so I'm home from work now. It is 2:30 in the afternoon. So I'm gonna make a quick little lunch. I'm gonna have some pasta. Sorry if you can hear the kettle boiling, it's quite loud. But I'm just having this pulse pasta, which is made out of peas, lentils, chickpeas, and portatelli beans. So I had this for dinner last night with the sauce that I'm about to show you, and it was delicious. But when it comes to pasta, or at least the pulse ones, these are meant to be 2 servings. I usually split them up into 3 because I feel like 2 servings is quite big. But today we're going by the serving size, and apparently I'm having 125 grams of pasta. I'm not mad about it. Getting closer. One more strand. Hey. So it's not too bad, but I would usually have a little bit less than that. Alright, so while the pasta boils, we're going to measure out 100 grams of broccoli. So it's set to 0. Let's see. Oh. That's not even bad. One more less. That'll do. Oh, bam, 100. That's okay for 1 serving size. I can deal with that. Yum. So the pasta's done. Now I just have to add the sauce. And the serving size is 112 grams. Such a random number. Whoops. My bad. That'll do though. There's only a smidgen left in the tub. So I'm just going to mix all this up with the broccoli. Mix it all up. Alright, this looks delicious. So it's pretty big, not gonna lie. Like I said, I generally split that pasta serving into 3, so this is quite a lot of pasta. It's not like ridiculous amount though. These are quite small bowls, but it is a little bit more than I would usually have. I reckon the cream sauce ratio was good too, even though I went 10 grams over. I do pick out like the bacon bits that are in here anyway, so I guess we'll just pretend that I didn't go 10 grams over. And then as for the broccoli, I generally would have a little bit more. I feel like 100 grams wasn't a lot, but it was a decent serving size. So yeah, I feel like overall this meal's serving size is pretty good if I'm really hungry, and I am. So let's enjoy this. Alright, so I've just gotten home from a little stroll and I'm not very hungry, but it's like 6 o'clock and I'm about to go to the gym, so I feel like I need just like something very small to help tie me over for the gym. So I found these the other day in Woolworths. I'm pretty sure they're new. They're by the brand Tasty, and they're the little bliss balls, which they do already have the packs of 6, which I love. They're literally my favorites. But now they have like little snack packs, so there's 4 little packs where you get 3 balls in them, which I think is good because even in the 6-pack I generally only have 2. So yeah, that's really good. I love the flavor berry, cashew, and cacao. So obviously 1 little packet is a serving size, and like I just said, you get 3 little balls. So yeah, these are just made out of cashews, dates, cranberries, coconut, and cacao powder. So super healthy, super delicious, and now I'm gonna hit the gym. So we just got home from the gym and we're gonna make some dinner now. Andy has so kindly cut up, ooh, message. Cut up the potato. So we're just having a white potato. We did have sweet potato, but it was a little bit funky. So on the On the back of the bag of potatoes that we have, it says the standard serving is 75 grams. So, I'm gonna weigh out. Andy has cut up the potato and put it in the air fryer at the moment. It's still raw, we haven't cooked it yet. So I'm gonna measure out 75 grams. Oh, Andy, these are good chippies.
You like them?
Yeah, they look like little fries. Oh my god, are you kidding?
What?
Wait, you wanna come have a look at what a standing serving size is of chips? Ready? 1, 2, 3. That's like, how many chips do I get for dinner? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And then you can have all of those.
Yeah, this is good. I like this video.
I get 11 chips. What the hell is that?
Don't eat them all at once, Brett.
Okay, well, we're gonna cook all of these because you literally just cut them all up. But I'm gonna count myself out 11 chips once this is done. A whole 11 chips. Wow. And then we're gonna have broccoli as for vegetables, and as you guys saw earlier today, that's 100 grams. So do you wanna measure out 200 grams of broccoli for me, sir? Please? And then we're also gonna have...
You put it on your wood?
Yep, on my thing. And we're also gonna have corn on the cob because that's easy. It's literally just, you know, one. Wait, it's not one corn on the cob because it says...
Scared me.
It says 6 servings per pack.
Yeah, so maybe you get a couple?
I don't want a couple of corn cobs. Like, what the hell is that? I get 11 potatoes, but like 10 corn on the cobs. Sorry, I was about to yell at him. Because he didn't measure out properly.
Oh, I've gone over budget.
Oh, so apparently I get to eat 100 grams of this. Wait, what? How am I gonna eat 1.5 corn on the cobs? I've said corn on the cob way too many times.
Yeah, that's enough. That's enough out of you.
Corn on the cob. Huh. Huh.
There we go. It's getting there. What's this one?
A little. Oh, he's little. Oh, bam! This guy.
That's incredible.
100 grams. Yeah. Okay, this one's for me then, Andy.
Alright, I'll just have another one.
You'll just have this little guy
What
so
am I
that we
get?
can tell the difference. You get the little guy. My OCD can't handle this. There we go. 75 grams of potato. That doesn't look too bad. Like, that's pretty much what I'd eat. Oh, okay. So Google says 3 to 4 ounces. So 3 ounces is 85 grams, but 4 ounces is 115 grams. So that is quite a lot of chicken. So maybe I'll just do 85 because otherwise Andy won't get any food because there's literally no chicken left. So I'll do 85. There we go. That's pretty much what I can do. Look, that's not a bad meal. Like, that is pretty much what I would eat anyway. Yum! Get in my belly. Alright, I'm back in the kitchen because I'm still starving since going to the gym. I eat way more when I work out. I did also have a protein shake. I forgot to mention that because Andy made it for me. But I just had 1 scoop of Happy Way berry protein. Now I'm going to make a peppermint tea. I've kind of been addicted to peppermint tea at nighttime lately, so we'll do that. And then I also have a little mini Cobb's popcorn sea salt flavor. This is delicious. I just like snacking on something at nighttime, so I've got that. And then my other latest obsession lately has been dark chocolate from Lindt, or mint dark chocolate I should say. So what is the serving size of this? 20 grams. I actually don't know how much that is. I'm assuming it's 1 square. Let's have a look. Ooh, it's 2 squares. Hell yeah. Boom. 2 squares of dark chocolate. A bag of Cobb's popcorn. And a little peppermint tea. But anyway, that'll be the end of tonight's food. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was super random, but I actually really enjoyed filming it and I love watching these videos. So if you did enjoy it, please give it a big thumbs up for me. Maybe I'll make another one if it doesn't just like die down off the bandwagon. But yeah, if you guys are new to my channel, please don't forget to hit subscribe. And yeah, I guess I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.